So for homework, some of my friends had to change improper fractions to mixed numbers. So this improper fraction is 23 fifths. So they can use their math help and find the fifths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That bar has been cut up into 5 pieces. And then they're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one hole. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 holes. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 3 holes. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23. Okay, well, when we get to 23, we can't go all the way. So we don't have a hole, so we have to color those in. And so we have 4 holes and 3 pieces out of the fifths. So our answer would be 4 holes and 3 fifths for our mixed number.